Heavy thunderstorms in North Georgia on Friday. Heavy thunderstorms are forecasted to impact North Georgia this Friday, August 21st, primarily during the afternoon and evening hours. Friday weather breakdown. The National Weather Service indicates a high probability of severe weather development fueled by daytime heat and humidity. Daytime conditions. Mostly sunny in the morning, shifting rapidly to a 75% chance of heavy thunderstorms after 1 p.m. Temperatures, a high of 85 degrees Fahrenheit with a real feel heat index pushing past 92 degrees due to a 77% humidity. Evening forecast, storms remain likely before 11 p.m. with a chance of precipitation tapering down to 45% overnight. Winds, light and variable west winds tracking around 5 miles per hour, though localized gusts will spike significantly near active storm cells. Timeline of rain probability. 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. low risk, 5 to 15%. 1 p.m. scattered thunderstorms begin developing, 30% chance. 2 to 5 p.m. peak window for heavy thunderstorms, 65 to 75% chance. And 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. storms gradually transition to lighter rain showers, 25 to 40% chance. That's Friday's weather in North Georgia. God bless you, friends. Have a great day.